Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to remove background noise from your microphone on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable noise cancellation or remove background noise from your videos on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, in taskbar you will see this sound icon. You have to just click on that, then click on sound setting. Scroll down. Here you will find under advanced more sound setting. Click on that, then click on the recording. Select your microphone, then click on properties. After that you can see here levels. You have to click on this. Here you can see two options, one is microphone and another one is microphone boost. What you have to do, you have to just reduce this microphone boost. You can just reduce this one and you have to increase this microphone. After that just click on apply, then click OK. Then click OK, then close this window. Guys, if this settings didn't work for you, then you can try the second option. You have to just type Realtek Audio Console in your search. After that this option will be opened. In this left side you can see microphone. You have to just click on this microphone. In right side you can see under microphone effect you will find first option, noise suppression reduces ambient stationary noise, that is notebook PC. You have to just enable this option. After enabling, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix how to remove background noise from your microphone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.